Morning student, today we are discuss about the topic electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole. What is dipole? Consider two equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance is called dipole. So the diagram, consider opposite charges. One charges minus q and another one charges plus q. Consider two opposite charges separated by a distance 2a. Point B located at a distance r from the point B located at a distance r from the midpoint of dipole. B is listen here. B is a point a distance r from O. Next page. R1 be the distance of point B from plus Q. R1 be the distance of point B from plus Q. R2 be the distance of point B from minus Q. Next one. Potential at point B due to the charge plus Q. Potential at a point B due to the charge plus Q, that is called 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R1. And another one, potential at a point B due to the charge minus Q. Potential at a point B due to the charge minus Q, that is called minus charge. So potential minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R2. Then total potential at a point B. Now we consider V is equal to potential denoted by V is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 divided by R1 minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R2. Next step, get outside the Q. V is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, equation number 1. The point B is far away from the dipole. Return back to diagram. Point B far away from the dipole. Distance R. Compared to distance O2 plus Q, compared to distance O2 minus Q. So the condition R greater than A. Go to next page. By the using cosine law for triangle BOB. Back to diagram. By using cosine law for triangle BOB. So the diagram BOB, B to B distance R1, O to B distance R2, theta angle made between dipole axis and line OB. So cosine law formula R1 squared equal to R squared plus A squared minus 2RA cos theta. So next step, R squared outside, R squared get outside, R1 squared is equal to R squared bracket open 1 plus A squared divided by R squared minus 2AR divided by R squared cos theta. So R1 squared, R squared 1 plus A squared divided by R squared minus R cancel, so 2A divided by R cos theta. The point B is far away from the dipole. Return back to diagram. Point B far away from the dipole. So condition R greater than A square divided by R square is a small and can be neglected. This equation A square divided by R square very small can be neglected. So next step, r squared is equal to r squared 1 minus 2a divided by r cos theta. Go to next page. r1 squared equal to r squared 1 minus 2a cos theta divided by r. Then r1 square cancel, left and right hand side square cancel. Then r1 equal to r 1 minus 2a divided by r cos theta square root mean 1 by 2. So next step, reverse order, inverse, get to inverse 1 by r1 equal to 1 by r 1 minus 2a divided by r cos theta minus 1 by 2. The condition a by r greater than 1. Using binomial theorem can be written up first order term. Final theorem use 1 minus x power of minus n equal to 1 plus nx. So apply the formula, the above equation, 1 by r1 equal to 1 by r 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2a divided by r cos theta, 2 cancel. So the equation 1 by r1 equal to 1 by r 1 plus a by r cos theta, equation number 2. Go to next page. Similarly, triangle for AOB using cosine law. Return back to diagram. AOB. Separate the diagram. AOB angle 180 degree minus theta, O to A distance A, O to B distance R, A to B distance R2. So using cosine law, R2 squared equal to R squared plus A squared minus 2A R cos 180 degree minus theta. So we know cos 180 degree minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So apply the above equation, r2 squared is equal to r squared plus a squared plus 2ra cos theta. So this condition, like neglecting the terms a squared divided by r squared. So r2 squared is equal to r squared 1 plus 2a cos theta divided by r. Go to next page. r2 is equal to square cancel, r2 equal to r 1 plus 2a cos theta divided by r whole power 1 by 2. By using binomial theorem, this formula 1 minus nx whole power n equal to 1 minus nx. 1 by r1 equal to 1 by r 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2a cos theta divided by r root 2 cancel. So next step, 1 by r2 equal to 1 by r 1 minus a cos theta divided by r, equation number 3. This equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. We get potential. V is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught q 1 by r1 1 plus a cos theta divided by r minus 1 by r minus 1 minus a cos theta divided by r 1 by r common. So we get outside 1 by r 1 plus a cos theta divided by r minus r minus plus a cos theta divided by r. Next go to next step, plus 1 or minus 1 cancel. Go to next page. V is equal to q by 4 by epsilon naught 1 by r 2a cos theta divided by r. 1 by 4 by epsilon naught 2a q divided by r into r squared. So B vector is equal to 2qa. This called electric dipole moment. The applied the above equation, V is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught B cos theta divided by r squared. So we can write B cos theta equal to B vector dot r cap r cap is a unit vector along the direction point O to point B. So the applying above equation v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught b vector dot r cap divided by r square. Equation number 4. Equation number 4 is valid for distance very large compared to size of the dipole. For a point dipole, equation 4 is valid for any distance. Go to next page. Special cases. Consider the special cases. Electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught b cos theta divided by r square. So case 1, B lies an axial line of side plus q, theta is equal to 0 degree, then becomes electric potential v cos 0 1. So electric potential v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught b divided by r square. Next case 2, B lies on the axial line of the side minus q, so theta is equal to 180 degree, cos 180 degree minus 1. So potential becomes v is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught b divided by r square. Next case number 3, B lies on the equatorial plane, theta is equal to 90 degree, so the potential becomes v is equal to 0 because cos 90 degree 0. Thank you student.